lots going on, but let's see if we catch it. And they definitely are up here. Like, no question about it. You got like the woodpeckers over there training their young. Ooh, look at that little baby. Oh my God. He's so small. Oh, that is the nest right there, isn't it? Like, are they going across the street? I think that's a bird right there, isn't it? Yeah, that's their little nest. Somebody bigger just landed over there. I think those are all birds. Whoa. Oh, that looks like a falcon. I mean, they look like falcons. Peregrine falcons. There's like 3 of them. That woodpecker. Damn, see, like, even when they do fly, you gotta be zoomed out or something.